our Notepad. You can come back to the browser that we've opened, right click on it. If you want to open your Notepad, if you don't want to go to the Notepad again, right click on it, click on open with. As you right click, you see a lot of options, open with Notepad, and your code will open. I'm going to show you how the differences between the H1 element and the other H elements. Like the H1 element has from H1 to H6. So we are going to write all of them from H1 to H6. Then we'll go to our browser to see how it appears on our browser. So you can see how I'm writing the code on my Notepad from the H1. As you write, you make sure you close it, and each one you write, if you write your H1, you must also close it with the H1 tag. If you write the H2, you must also close it with the H2 tag. If the opening tag is H3, you must also close with the closing tag. Each one you write, you save. Make sure you save. Either you press your Ctrl S or you click on File and click on the save. Now let's go to our browser and see how it appears. When you come to your browser, click on the refresh sign and it will refresh what you have typed so far. You can see how it appears. This is my heading. The H1, you can see that it's more pronounced. The H2, you can see that it is semi-pronounced. The same thing to the last of the headings. That simply means that the H1 is used for important topics, like important topics or important headings, like your topics. The H2, you can equally use it for your subheadings and or headings that are not of so much importance, like the subheadings and all that, to the last of it, which is the H3. You can see that the H1 is more pronounced, the H2 semi-pronounced, the H3, you can see it's pronounced, but it is not like the others. You can see that we wrote, it is virtually the same thing that we wrote on our code. There you can see how they appear on the browser, telling you that each of them are doing different things. So if you want to write any topic that is not that significant, that you don't want it to be, that is not really important, like all these subheadings, inner headings and all, you can equally use your H6. So that is all about our headings. Now let's go for the paragraph, the P elements. You can see the opening tag with the P. Make sure you also close it. The paragraph, you know, the normal paragraph, English paragraph. So, and all these things are in the body section. So look at the paragraph. This is my paragraph. Make sure you also close it with the paragraph, with the P element too. You can see the opening tag, also see the closing tag. Make sure the closing tags have the slash sign. So you can see the second one. This is another paragraph. I'm just using this as an example. When you want to write yours, you can, anything you want it to appear on your browser, you can fill it in there. Now we refresh, you can see how it appears on our browser. You can see how it appears on our browser. Now let's